Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore all things beauty, health, and wellness. In today's review, we're diving into the Celluma Restore, a revolutionary red light therapy device designed for hair regrowth, anti-aging, and pain relief. This FDA-cleared device promises a lot, so let's see if it truly delivers on its claims. The Celluma Restore is an advanced light therapy device that uses red and near-infrared wavelengths to target various skin and health concerns. It's the only model in the Celluma series with an FDA-cleared hair restoration program, which helps to promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles and extending the growth phase. It also features an anti-aging program designed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by encouraging collagen and elastin production. Lastly, the Aches and Pain Relief program aims to provide relief for joint and muscle pain with the ability to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support recovery from injuries or workouts. When you first set up the Celluma Restore, the instructions are straightforward and the device is fairly simple to use. It has a sleek, portable design that fits easily into your daily routine. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I found it particularly convenient for targeting specific pain areas post-workout, like my knees and shoulders. The light therapy settings are customizable, so you can easily switch between hair restoration, anti-aging, and pain relief programs, depending on your needs at the moment. It's also nice that the device is safe for home use, providing the same high-quality technology typically found in professional settings, like doctor's offices or med spas. Now let's talk about some of the pros. First, the Celluma Restore is incredibly versatile, offering 3 key treatment options in one device: hair restoration, anti-aging, and pain relief. It's also compact and travel-friendly, which is a huge plus if you're on the go. The large treatment area of 14 inch by 6 inch allows for efficient and quick sessions. Plus, it's easy to use, even for a light therapy newbie. However, it's not all perfect. One con is the price point, as it's higher than many other light therapy devices on the market. You're paying for medical-grade technology, but that might not be in everyone's budget. The size of the device might also be a consideration if you're looking for something even more portable or lightweight. Is this device worth your hard-earned cash? In terms of value for money, it really depends on your needs. If you're someone struggling with hair loss, fine lines, or chronic pain, the Celluma Restore could be a solid investment. It offers professional-level results at home, and the convenience is a major selling point. That said, if you're only looking for one specific function, like just hair restoration or pain relief, there are more affordable options out there. When comparing it to similar products, the Celluma Restore stands out because of its FDA clearance and medical-grade technology. While there are plenty of light therapy devices on the market, few can claim the same level of professional credibility. However, for the price, some competitors offer more budget-friendly solutions with similar features, though they might not match the Celluma's depth in technology. In terms of build quality, the device feels sturdy and well-made. The materials are durable, and it's clear that it's built to last. The included international adapter kit is a bonus for those who travel often. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but Celluma as a brand is known for its strong customer service. They offer great support, especially for troubleshooting or warranty-related issues. There are no software or firmware updates to worry about, so the Celluma Restore works consistently right out of the box, which is always a relief. If you're looking for alternatives, a few other light therapy devices offer similar features but at a lower price point, such as the LightStim for pain or the Juve Mini. While they don't offer as many programs as the Celluma Restore, they do a solid job with pain relief and skin rejuvenation. To wrap up, the Celluma Restore is a fantastic multi-purpose light therapy device that can work wonders for hair regrowth, anti-aging, and pain relief. Its professional-grade technology is ideal for those looking to invest in an all-in-one at-home solution. If you're serious about achieving visible results in these areas, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're on a budget or only need one specific function, you might want to explore cheaper alternatives. Is this review useful to you? If so, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others interested in light therapy can also find this video. Thank you for watching here on Beautyistic. Don't forget, the link to get the Celluma Restore is in the comments box below. If you already have one or are thinking about getting it, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Until next time, stay glowing and take care of yourself the Beautyistic way.